Happiness is our own creation. When we plant our seeds of loving kindness on others, we reap the fruit of happiness. Thoughts shaped our lives. Pure thoughts of care and generosity to others are manifested as peace and happiness, just like shadows that always accompany us. You are the center of your universe. So, when you radiate your light of happiness, people around you receive it. The darkness of their misery simply dissipates with the light of your happiness. One candle alone can light 1,000 candles without affecting its own light. Even so, one's happiness alone can give happiness to 1,000 others without decreasing one's own. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe.